Hey YouTubers! Want to create scroll-stopping videos that get more likes, shares, and subscribers? What if I told you there's an online tool that turns your images and text into pro-level videos in minutes? No editing skills needed. Stick around, because today I'm spilling the tea on the best online video editor for YouTube, FlexClip. If you're like me, you've probably spent hours wrestling with complicated editing software just to make a simple YouTube video. Or maybe you're a total newbie thinking, I can't afford fancy tools like Premiere Pro. Well, guess what? You don't need them. FlexClip is here to save the day with its super easy image-to-video and text-to-video features. Let's dive in. All right, let's talk about why FlexClip is a game changer for YouTubers in 2025. First off, it's cloud-based, so you can edit from anywhere. Your laptop, your phone, even your grandma's old PC. It's got over 4,000 templates for everything from vlogs to ads, plus millions of royalty-free images, videos, and music tracks. And the best part? It's beginner-friendly but powerful enough for pros. Whether you're making tutorials, gaming montages, or small business promos. Let's start with FlexClip's image-to-video feature. After completed sign-up process, you will get an interface like this. Now you have to click on 3 dots. Now click on AI. Now click on AI image to video. Now upload your image, which one you want to convert into video. Select the image. Now describe your image in this box. Now select the mode. You can see here. For standard mode will cost 10 credits, and with profession mode 35 credits. Select the mode and click on generate. Just go the history. It will take around 5 minutes to create the video. Meanwhile, I'll show you how to make a video from text. Just click on text to video. Now describe your video into this box. Now I will paste the video prompt in this box, which I have already generated with ChatGPT. Just click on generate. Now I'll go to the history section and show you by downloading both videos. It's very simple. Just click on the video and click on download. Now you can see the results. Now you too can create AI videos like this in just a few minutes without wasting any time. Now I will tell you about FlexClip new feature, AI image to image. You can turn your images in Ghibli Arts in just one click with this amazing feature. Just click on more AI tools. Now you can see there are so many AI tools that can help you in music generation, image generation, and video generation process. And the tool I'm talking about is AI image to image. Just click on this. Now upload your image, which one you want to convert in Ghibli Arts. Just click on Generate. In just a few seconds, you will get your image here. Now download the image. These results are amazing. And you can also edit your videos with these amazing editing features. So what are you waiting for? If you want to level up your YouTube game in 2025, FlexClip is your secret weapon. Head to flexclip.com right now and try it for free. No credit cards needed. Create your first image-to-video or text-to-video masterpiece today. Oh, and drop a comment below. Tell me what kind of YouTube video you're making with FlexClip. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, you absolute legends. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a tip to grow your channel. See you in the next one.